Morning one and all. Like in the traversal binary tree traversal process, we have seen that taking a binary tree and finding the different traversals, in order traversal, pre-order traversal and post-order traversal. Let us now do the reverse engineering process, that is by taking the traversals for a particular binary tree and constructing the binary tree. It is not that all the three traversal sequences are required for constructing the binary tree. It is any two, like the combination of in-order and pre-order or in-order and post-order. By taking the combinational traversal sequences, we can construct the binary tree from the traversals. Now first let us take the case construction of binary tree from in-order and pre-order traversal sequence. Let us take this particular example. We have the in-order traversal sequence for a particular binary tree. It is D, B, E, A, F, C, G, and we are taking the pre-order first, the combination of in-order and pre-order for the construction of binary tree. It is A, B, D, E, C, F, G. Okay, so here from these two things, we already know that pre-order is defined as parent left, right. So we can find the statement that the first node, whatever we processed following this pre-order, is the root node. So we can get here from this pre-order traversal, this is the root node. This is the root node. Coming to this in-order traversal, in-order traversal is following the sequence left, parent and right. So it is from in-order traversal you can understand that the root will be one of the parent and its left subtree will be the left traversal part and right subtree will be its right subtree part. So from this, as we have already identified from the pre-order, A is the root node. The same way, if you identify in the in-order traversal, if this is the root, if that is the root identified, as per the strategy of in-order traversal, left, parent, right. So we can observe that this left part, DBE part, is related to the left subtree of A, and this FCZ is related to the right subtree of the binary tree. So as we have identified the root node, let us put that node in the binary tree. So A is our parent. And following this in-order traversal, we got the traversal sequence for the left subtree. That is here, you can take this DBE as the left sequence and FCZ as the right sequence. Again here we got three nodes. So again to place them in the corresponding positions, here we need to identify the next parent among DBE. So here if you consider this sequence DBE, and here in the pre-order we can see the same node characters, but in another sequence, in the other sequence, it is BDE, and here it is pre-order process. So as per pre-order process, the parent node will be at the first position. So this B is the parent node, and the same thing if you apply here, B is in the middle, so here it is matching. So this B will become the parent node, and this part will be its left and this part will be its right. And from this sequence CFG, as it is pre-order, So C will be the parent. So the C will act as the parent and F is the left child and G is the right child. Like this, considering the different parts of the sequences, we can come to the conclusion which is the parent node and which are the left and right nodes at that particular level. Let us divide this particular level, let us divide the sequence in and write the insert the nodes of the binary tree. So it is A, and the next level we identified that B is the parent and B is having its left is D and its right is E. And even for this DE order also we can see in the pre-order it is left and right, or in the in-order also it is left parent right. So it is DE, and coming to this right part, C is the node and F is the left child and G is the right child. So this is how, from by taking two traversal sequences in order and pre-order, we can construct the binary tree. Let us take the other sequence and construct similarly. Let us now consider the two traversal sequences in order and post order. So taking in order, it is D, B, E, A, F, C, G, and post order it is D, E, B, F, G, C, A. From the post order, we can observe that it is following the strategy left, right and P. So this parent node will be the last node to get processed. So in this sequence, the last node to get processed is A. So we can observe this is the parent, like highest parent of all the nodes, nothing but the root. For the same node element you can find in the in order traversal, so you can observe this is the root. So as in order is following the sequence LPR, left parent right. So as this is identified as the root, left part of it is the left subtree and this right part of it is the right subtree. So we can construct our tree now. Root is A and the left sequence is D, B, E and the right sequence is F, C, G. Now again among the sequence D, B, E, here in the post order D, B, E and F, G, C. Among D, E, B we can observe this as this post order, the last character will be the parent. And here also the same thing, here we can once again verify in the in order. Among the sequence D, B, E, B is in the middle, and as per our strategy, in order strategy, parent should be in the middle, and so this B is identified as the parent and D is left and this E is left. So from this you can derive A is the parent and next level parent is D, sorry it is B, and its left is D, its right is E, and again here it is FCZ. Z is the parent node at the second level, C is the parent node and F is its left and G is its right. So this is how, if in order and post order sequence or in order or pre-order sequence is given, we can construct the binary tree. Thank you.